Do you have a creepy, perverted coworker that just won't stop staring at the twins?
Man, that's some good goofy juice right there.
What's up, gamers? What's up, guys? I hope everyone had a great Valentine's Day. If I had to describe my Valentine's Day in just one word, it would probably be pain. Just pain. But anyways, today we got a new video and we're talking about the channel that is sweeping this little website you may have heard of known as youtube.com. The channel 5 Minute Crafts. They post stuff like 5-minute crafts and other DIY stuff, you know, life hack videos, the kind of videos that your mom would like. By the way, tell her I say what's up. And the video we're looking at today is life hacks to make you look cool in any situation, awkward moments. So with all that being said, sit back, relax, smash the like button please, unless you want me to cry, and it's time to get awkward, gamers, which I have no problem doing. Literally ask anyone who's ever met me. Alright, let's break down what we just watched. So this guy is at this party, right? And he's having a great time. Like, he's literally just vibing. And when he bends over to pick up his phone, his bright pink boxers are exposed. Now, I don't know about you guys, but he looking kind of fresh though. And once his friends see his bright pink boxers, they do what any normal friend would do. They start bullying him. So what do you do when you're at a party getting absolutely clowned on for your choice of underwear? You jack your friend's suspenders that he just happens to be wearing, go to the bathroom, and then use them to make some makeshift shirt-tail garters. But doesn't that just leave your other friend screwed? Because now he has no suspenders. So what the hell is keeping his pants up? You guys want to know the real solution to this problem? You don't care about what other people think of you. Also, you don't wear underwear. It's all propaganda. Okay, where the hell is this going? Do you have a creepy, perverted coworker that just won't stop staring at the twins? Well, it's your lucky day, because all you gotta do is take that extra pair of underwear you always bring to work, you know, in case of a oopsie, and bust out your sewing needle and thread that you always keep handy and just sew the entire thing on your shirt. Ba-bam! And that's it. I know, crazy how simple and effective that is. You know, way more simple and effective than writing an email to HR that would most likely put his job at jeopardy. You know, what a drag, right? Grab your panties, start sewing. What the hell was that? There was no solution. That was just the most awkward bathroom stare down ever. What's up? What's up? Wow. Why don't you just take a Sharpie and write fat on her forehead? Do these people just assume that everyone carries around sewing supplies? Like, what the hell? Hold up. You're telling me that this girl's button that violently exploded off of her pants and hit this dude caused him to have a black eye? Yeah, seems about right. Yeah. Another one with no solution. Like, I need to know what happens when my dress gets stuck in the elevator. Why is no one helping her and instead just standing there and laughing at her? Alright, I hope you guys now know some very useful hacks to get out of some very awkward situations. What the hell? I'm sure some of those are useful, you know, maybe 1 out of every 300. If you guys like the video, smash like please. I would really appreciate that. If you guys like the channel, smash subscribe please. I would love to have you a part of the Goofy Juice gang. If you guys never want to miss a mediocre video from yours truly, smash that bell. And if you guys like me, always make sure I am carrying an extra pair of underwear, okay? If you see me in the streets or whatever, just double check with your boy, okay? Because you never know when someone's gonna be looking at these honkers. But that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And until next time, gamers, stay sipping on that Goofy Juice. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta go pack my bag with extra pairs of underwear, because you never know when someone's gonna try to take a look at the twins. Alright? Better safe than sorry. Failure to prepare is preparing to fail. Alright, later guys.